Welcome back to our discussions on the general rules of a categorical syllogism. So this is a continuation. This is the fourth rule. Okay, ano ibig sabihin at sinasabi ng fourth rule ng categorical syllogism? Basahin natin. Affirmative premises must have an affirmative conclusion. Very simple. Previously, we have talked about the propositions having a quality and quantity. Ulitin natin, pagka sinabi natin quality ng proposition, either affirmative or negative lang yan. Pero pagka sinabi natin quantity, either universal or particular lamang yan. So, in this rule, we will focus on the quality of the proposition. Ano sinasabi? Pagka affirmative ang premises natin, dapat affirmative din ang conclusion. Meron tayong dalawang premises at isang conclusion sa isang categorical syllogism. So pagka parehong affirmative yung premises, meaning the major premise and the minor premise, matik dapat na yung conclusion natin ay affirmative din. Dahil pagka-affirmative yung dalawang premises tapos negative yung conclusion, invalid kaagad yung syllogism natin. We have an example here. All parents are understanding. Some parents are young. Ergo, some young are understanding. Okay. The major premise is all parents are understanding. Ano ba ang quality ng proposition na yan? Is it affirmative or negative? Obviously, it is affirmative kasi wala kang makikitang signifier na no or not. So the major premise is affirmative. The minor premise is some parents are young. Wala ka rin nakitang no or not. So, matik, affirmative ka agad yan. And so, what quality should we find in the conclusion? Kailangan affirmative din. Ergo, some young are understanding. So, this is a valid syllogism. Now, let's take a look at the second example. Let us read. All husbands are breadwinner. Some husbands are OFWs. Ergo, some OFWs are not breadwinners. Now, what is the quality of the major premise? All husbands are breadwinner. The quality is affirmative kasi wala ka nga makitang no or not. Now, what about the second or the minor premise? Some husbands are OFWs. What's the quality? Affirmative dahil wala ka ulit nakitang no or not. Now, let's go to the conclusion. Ergo, some OFWs are not breadwinner. Anong quality ng conclusion natin? Is it affirmative or negative? Kitang-kita natin merong no or not, so ang quality niyan ay negative. Tama ba ito? According to our fourth general rule, if we have two affirmative premises, the conclusion must also be affirmative. In this example, we have two affirmative premises, but the conclusion is negative. Therefore, this is an invalid syllogism. Diba? Simple lang. Okay, we'll talk about the next one, the next general rule number 5 in the next video. Antabayanan nyo lang saglit.